So in this video, I'm going to show you the a demo which I have built a project, okay, related to a chatbot. Okay, so the chatbot is that. So if you give any base URL, okay, base URL means I mean if you pass uh, like www.amazon.in, okay, or it could be like a www.flipkart.com, okay, or it could be any website, for example, www.medium.com. So any base URL you give, okay, any base URL you give, and based on that base URL, if you ask any questions, okay, this is the question. So that question, okay, it will be this question answer will be retrieved from this base URL. Okay, for example, there could be a page like blog, okay, like amazon.in.blog, okay. So there could be any number of pages, okay, but their base URL will be only amazon.in, okay. So whatever questions you ask, okay, so it will be answered on this in this website, okay. So what is the benefit of this? So benefit of this is that, for example, let's say you are visiting a website. Okay, let's say you are visiting a website, website of anything. Like for example, uh, maybe India.com, right? And without wasting time, okay, you just want to ask, you want to ask questions related to, hey, what this website contains, hey, what is the contact number, what is uh, mm, how to contact them, who is the founder, who is something related that, and anything you want to ask, okay, without let's say you can also get information by visiting this website, okay, but what if you only if you have specific questions, okay, and you don't want to visit every pages in that website, so in that case this concept, okay, this chatbot will be helpful for you. So let's see how it works first, okay, and then we will also talk more about it. So let me rub it, and then I show you the how it works. So let's say if I here if I use if I give www dot amazon dot in. Okay. And if I ask what is the current price of MacBook Air M4 M4 256 GB. Okay. So when I ask such questions, so these questions will be answered only from this website. Okay, it can't answer from other website. For example, Flipkart.com or any other website, it can't get information from that. Okay, and it will answer. So let's answer. Okay, let's click on answer, and it will give answer in couple of seconds. So let's see how it what it gives. Okay, so as you can see that. So Apple MacBook Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13 inch with M4 chip and 256 GB storage is priced at 90 95,000 around. Okay, and these are the details. Okay, how you can get it. So as you can see that, so you don't need to visit, okay, the website, okay, to get the price or anything. So you just ask here and you get the answer. So you just imagine that how much time you have actually save yourself, okay. So if you don't do such kind of things, if you don't use such kind of chatbot, so you have to give your 5 minutes, 10 minutes to check the price. Okay, so it is. I know this is a simple case, but let's say it is about some information, okay, which is very small information from any website. So in that case, you have to visit every pages. Okay, so basically, what I am saying is that, so by using this method, you can chat with any website, okay, and you can get information according to your query perfectly, right? So that is one example. Okay, so let's visit with some other website. So there is a one OCAMadvisory.com. Okay, let's say I want to ask what are what are the contact details. So when I ask what are the contact details, so it should give some information related to how to contact to this OCAM advisory website. Okay, and as you can see here, we have got the some answer. So I had asked what are the contact details. So it is giving me OCAM's advisory have multiple contact options and locations. So as you can see that this is corporate or head office it is giving, and Mumbai location office and their general contact email ID and so on. So as you can see that this is also in formatted way. Okay, it is not like randomly putting the answer. It is formatting the answer in proper way so that you feel your eyes should feel pleasant to read this answer. Right. So let's say let's ask one more question. So what services services does this this company provide? Okay. So if I ask this question, so let's see what it answers. Okay. So as you can see that okay, so this gives the answer. Okay, and you can see that the answer is so much in readable way. Okay, it is not like mess up the content. Okay, it is giving in structured way so that it looks it feels nicer. Okay, so let's see what it answered. So it is saying that Ocam Advisory is a global full service advisory firm for small and middle market businesses, providing a wide array of service across several core verticals. Okay, and core services are corporate services, financial advisor, human capital advisory, marketing and branding, risk, and those all things. Okay, so these you can see that these are the services they are providing. I hope it is you can see the answer. Okay, so so as you can see that so if you ask any question, okay, it will extract the information from this website, okay, and then it will answer. So just think about that how much it is easy to interact with the any website, okay, and how much it easy to get the information from any website, as you can see. So if you don't use this type of chatbot, you have to spend a lot of time to visit in here and there to get the information. But with this techniques, we can extract the for whatever we want. To be honest, within a second, within a couple of seconds, you can say. So let's check more with this website. Okay. And you can take any example. Okay. Any website you can take. So let's say I want to ask who is Sonia Ghosh. Okay. So let's see what it answer. Yeah. So as you can see that this is giving answer in structured way. So Sonia Ghosh is an associate in human capital management and innovation at Occam's advisory. And their details are like she has been with Occam's advisory since December 2018 and so on. Okay. So these are the information and as you can see, this is also formatted result you can see. So that is the how it works. So you can answer any, you can ask any questions. Let's say we ask uh, who is the who is the founder, who is the founder of the company, and tell me more about him or her, him or her. Okay. So let's see what it answers. Yeah. So as you can see that it is saying that founder of Occam's Advisory is Anupam Satyasi. Okay. And here are some detail about him. Role at Occam's Advisory. He founded Occam's Advisory India, and they see he had served as CEO and these all previous experience about Anupam Satyasi and then personal life. They are talking about philanthropy. So he is also a philanthropist. So these are the details they are giving us, and it is so easy to even uh, get information from the website, right? So these are the questions, and we have got the answer. And these are the actually demo I wanted to show you, and you can see that how it accurately it is working, and you can see that with the help of this chatbot, this kind of chatbot, you can save your lot of time to ask any questions or any query according to any specific website if you are having. And this can be also useful for, like, for example, let's say you want to understand a langchain, you want to ask it something like related to question like a langchain. Okay, so you don't know does this any um, concept existing langchain or not. Okay, so you just give the langchain website name and ask the query, and it will answer you. It will answer here, right? So anything you want to ask, you will get on the answer, and the benefit is that it will give you the current result. It's not like you are getting a outdated result. It is a current information you are getting. So I hope it is you got the thing how it is working. And I have also uploaded the code on my GitHub, so you can check out here. Okay, so this is the website directory where I have pushed all the code. So if you visit this chat with Aman, my user ID, and chat with any website content, you will get the code here. Okay, yeah. So you will get the code here. So very small code, but very powerful information and a powerful chatbot, you can say. So this is the code, and if you want to play with this code, you can pull it and you can play with that code, and you can change or you can modify also. Okay, so that's it for about it. Thank you.